Some houses will sell in any market, others not so much. Maybe it's the leaky roof, the shag carpet in the guest bathroom, or the termite colony that turned the subfloor into a swollen take on modern art. With more lucrative listings on your mind, you want these as-is properties off your plate as soon as possible. Introducing New Western. We buy a house every 13 minutes for our marketplace of more than 150,000 real estate investors around the country. That difficult listing will make you a fast, reliable offer. Our agents are local experts and licensed realtors who work with you to sell your most difficult properties quickly and easily. So where most buyers see a scary, moldy, outdated money pit, we see a beautiful, shiny package of potential. Simply give us a call to schedule a walkthrough and get a firm offer. And to keep you at the center of the process, you present the offer to your client. No repairs, staging, cleaning, marketing, open houses, or need to hide the years of bad wallpapering decisions. That means less work and more money for you and your client. So call us today and turn that old property into a new sale. New Western. Opportunity delivered.